Hey, if you've ever thought, wow, I sure wish I could buy a home, but my credit score is too low and I don't have 20% down payment saved, the FHA loan could be exactly what you need to get into a home. FHA is short for Federal Home Administration, and this loan is designed by the government to help people become home buyers. So this loan is federally backed, which basically means that if you default on your mortgage and you can't make your payments, the government will actually give the bank the funds through a special insurance program. The loan is specifically for low and moderate income home buyers, and lots of first-time home buyers take advantage of this option because it requires a lower down payment and a lower credit score. But if you're not a first-time buyer, you can still use the loan, so don't worry. Instead of a traditional mortgage, which requires at least 10 to 20% in down payment, an FHA loan requires just 3.5% down. So that means you can get into a house a lot faster because you don't have to save up the typical 20% payment. Another huge draw of an FHA loan is that it requires a credit score of just 580. And if your credit score is between 500 and 579, you could still get an FHA loan if you make a down payment of 10%. But of course, there is a catch. You have to pay an annual mortgage insurance premium to the FHA, which you'll have to pay for 11 years for the life of your loan. So that term depends on the different facets of your loan. And if you take advantage of the low down payment, you'll end up paying more interest because the principal loan amount will be larger. So will it be more expensive over time than a traditional mortgage? Probably. But if you consider the savings when you own a home rather than renting for another 5 years, the equity alone makes it worth it. So I highly suggest working with your lender to check out the numbers here. Now let's get into the requirements of an FHA loan. So first, the home you buy with the loan must be your primary residence. So that means no investment properties or vacation houses with this option. The home you want to buy must also be within certain price parameters, which change depending on the area you're in. So you can't buy a mansion with this loan, sorry. Once you find a home to buy, you have to go through an FHA approved lender. Then the property must be appraised by an FHA approved appraiser. And like any mortgage, 2 years must have passed since you last declared bankruptcy. And the FHA loan isn't for everyone, but it's a life changer for those who can use it. And if you're thinking about an FHA loan, talk with your lender and your agent about your options. They can help you determine if it's the best fit for you. And as always, if you have any questions about getting into a house and mortgages that can help you get there, just shoot me a DM.